I have to be honest with this video. I have tested hundreds of AI tools over the past 4 years. Ever since ChatGPT launched, there has been a massive wave of AI tools, releasing almost every single day. So I decided to put them to the test by trying them all and checking if they are actually useful. And I will be honest with you, there are only 10 AI tools that I end up using every single day. In this video, I will share what these tools are, how they work, and how you can use them to be more productive, make more money, and become irreplaceable in 2026. Make sure you hit the like button. The first AI tool will help you write faster than ever before. Think about this. You are on your laptop. You are typing on your phone. You are constantly using a keyboard. Most people type around 40 words per minute, but most of us can speak at 120 to 140 words per minute. Whisperflow is an incredible AI tool that can replace your keyboard by letting you use your voice on any device. Your laptop, your iPhone, anywhere you need to type. You simply say what you want to write. But here's the best part. You do not have to speak perfectly. You can talk the same way you talk to a friend. You can make mistakes. You can pause. You can correct yourself. Like, hey, let's meet at 7. No, let's meet at 9:30 p.m. Let's meet at Starbucks. And it understands all of that. It understands context, not just the words you say, but what you actually mean. And it types that for you emails, WhatsApp replies, messages, and anywhere else you are typing. If you are on ChatGPT and want to write faster, just open Whisperflow, start talking, and it will write your entire prompt and hit enter for you. Flow AI understands exactly what you want to say and writes it the way you intend. The second AI tool is a browser built for the AI era. It is called Comet by Perplexity, and it can completely change how you work. Comet is an AI-powered browser that does tasks for you. You can open any website and simply ask it to do what you need. Replying to comments, adding items to your cart, finding coupon codes for discounts, comparing products across tabs, and picking the best option. You can ask it to fill forms, create spreadsheets, build formulas, and handle boring tasks that you normally do yourself. All of that can now be automated with Comet. The third AI tool automatically researches the web for you. It is called Scouts. You give it your interest or a specific topic, and it scans the internet every day. Then it sends you the latest updates straight to your inbox every morning. Think about how useful that is. You can track AI, finance, business, or even a specific stock. It will send you all the related news daily without you having to search anything. That is the power of Scouts. It is available on a platform called Utori. I will put all the links to these AI tools in the video description. All of these tools are free to try. They do have paid plans, but you can start using them completely free. If you are enjoying this video so far, hit the like button. Let's move on to the fourth AI tool. This one is all about design. If you have built websites with AI before, you know how boring and awkward they usually look. You can instantly tell they were made by AI. But that is changing. Gemini 3 was recently released, and it brought powerful design capabilities with it. One company took full advantage of this, and that company is Replit. Replit design can completely change how you create websites. If you want to build a personal website, you can go to Replit Design and ask it to create the site, the layout, the UI, and all the components. It builds everything for you. The designs look amazing. Once you like the design, you can turn it into a full app and publish it. You get a shareable link that anyone can open. You can build landing pages, portfolios, or any app you want. The designs will honestly surprise you. All of this is done by simply explaining what you want. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you get a full design ready. If you like it, you can convert it into a complete app. Replit is easily one of the most impressive vibe coding apps right now. The next tool can turn you into an AI filmmaker. This is a real career now. People are creating full movies using AI. Recently, someone won $1 million for an AI-generated movie called Lily using Google Gemini V3. Just think about that opportunity. If you want to start creating AI films and short videos, you should try Higsfield. Higsfield AI is a full video studio. You can create almost any type of video you want. It gives you access to top video models like Kling, VEO3, and others. You can choose camera angles, lenses, movement, and describe exactly how you want the scene to look. The more detail you give, the better the output. Google also has Flow with V3 built in. but Higsfield gives you access to multiple popular models in one place. That flexibility lets you build incredible videos. The next AI tool is about using multiple AI models together. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, you can use Claude, but what if you could use all of them at once? This is called the AILLM Council. The idea was shared by Andrei Karpathy. Here is how it works. Each model answers your question. Then the models rate each other's answers. A leader model reviews everything and combines the best parts into one final response. This gives you the strongest possible output. It is available for free on Hugging Face, and the results are impressive. Instead of relying on one model, multiple models brainstorm together, evaluate each other, and produce a refined answer. That is the power of the AILLM Council. We have talked about websites and videos. Now let's talk about images. Yes, you can use Midjourney, but if you want to get started quickly with simple prompts, Nano Banana Pro on Gemini is one of the best options right now. You type a short prompt and get high-quality images instantly. You can choose aspect ratios, tweak designs, and make changes while keeping the style consistent. People use it for profile pictures, website mock-ups, comic books, and infographics. The possibilities are endless. The key is knowing what prompt to write, which style to pick, and what size you need. The next AI tool is very special and was recently launched by Meta. It is called Sam Audio, the Segment Anything model for audio. You upload any audio file and it can separate individual soundtracks. If you are talking in a noisy cafe, it can isolate your voice. If there is music or a guitar in the background, it can extract just that sound. It is extremely powerful for audio editing. If you create podcasts or work with audio often, this tool is absolutely worth trying. You can even add effects and export clean audio directly. The next AI tool is all about making money with AI. I am talking about N8N. N8N is a drag and drop automation builder. You can create workflows, build AI agents, and deploy them for real businesses. These automations help companies save time and money, and that is how you get paid. You can connect multiple apps and automate tasks that were previously done manually. The final tool on this list was the hardest to choose. I tested Gamma, Manus, and Canva AI, but the winner for slide generation is Kimmy Slides. Kimmy Slides is perfect for creating dense, data-rich presentations, the kind consultants and analysts usually build. You can generate slides with charts, graphs, and deep explanations. Just look at the design and the level of detail. Gamma is still a solid all-around tool. But if you want heavy data, structured insights, and professional slide decks, Kimmy Slides stands out. And that is it. These are the 10 AI tools you should master in 2026 to become irreplaceable and start making money with AI. That is all from me today. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. If you watched until the very end, comment, "I was here till the very end." I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.